Claude Code subscriptions are very expensive, and that's why in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Claude Code 100% free and private on your own computer with no rate limits and no limitations by using local AI models. And in just 5 minutes I'm going to show you how you can set everything up, even if you're a complete beginner. Plus at the end, we will go through the most popular local AI models so you can pick the best one that can comfortably run in your computer. So close all of your other tabs and let's dive right into it. But before we get into it, I want to first explain how this actually works and why is it 100% free. And to understand that, we need to take a look at this graph over here, where at the top we have Claude Code, which is the AI coding agent that Anthropic has developed that includes all the different tools that it has, all the different system instructions, MCP servers, and skills that make Claude Code what it is today. And underneath Claude Code, we have the actual brain that the AI coding agent uses, which by default is a model that was developed by Anthropic. It can be either Opus, Sonnet, or Haiku. But the problem with this is that Anthropic charges a lot of money to allow you to use their powerful models. That's why what we're going to do is simply swap the model of the brain, and instead of using a model that was developed by Anthropic, we're going to use a local AI model that runs natively in our PC, which means that it will be 100% free and fully private, since our data will never have to leave our system, while we will keep all the other functionalities that the Claude Code coding assistant has. So that is the only change that we're going to make, and we're still going to keep all the powerful features that Claude Code has, like its system instructions, its tools, MCP servers, and multiple different skills. But now someone might ask, well, Damian, why don't we just run one of the Anthropic models locally in our PC so we don't have to pay Anthropic to use it? And that would be a great idea, but unfortunately, Anthropic's models are all closed sourced, meaning that you cannot download them and run them locally in your PC. And the only way to use them is by paying Anthropic for how much you're using them through API tokens. And that's why we're going to use other AI models which you can download and run locally in your machine. But some of you might ask, are these local models actually good, or will they be significantly worse than the Anthropic models and give me bad results? And the answer to that is, a lot of them are almost as good as Anthropic's top tier models. And if I had to put a number on it, I would say around 90% as good. And I'm sure that you have seen multiple different videos on YouTube with local models that can rival Anthropic's top model, which currently is Opus 4.8. Let's take GLM 5.2 for example, which is an AI model which you can download and run locally in your machine. And as you can see from all these benchmarks, it actually scores very close to Anthropic in multiple of these benchmarks, like the Terminal Bench 2.1, the SWE Bench, and also the MCP Atlas. Or let's take another very popular local model like Kimi-K 2.6, which as you can see also ranks very close to the top AI models on the world, and in some tests like Deep Search, it also outperforms Anthropic's models along with all the other Western AI companies. But I do want to be realistic, there are local AI models that are almost as good as Opus, and in some tasks they might be slightly better, but there are also local models that are worse than Opus in other tasks, which means that you really need to take your time to select a good AI local model that can also run in your machine. And that perfectly brings us on to the next question, which is, do you actually need a supercomputer to run these AI models? Since maybe you have heard that you need multiple gigabytes of VRAM and very expensive setups to run some of them. And the answer to that is no, you actually don't need to have a supercomputer. And that is because there are many different models for different power levels of your PC. As we can see from this graph over here, that's specifically about Google's Gemma 4 model, we can see that it has multiple different versions for systems that have not that much RAM, all the way up to systems that have multiple gigabytes of extra RAM. So what you need to get out of this is that you don't need a supercomputer, you just need to pick the right model for the power of your PC, which I'm going to show you how to do at the end of this video. Because before that, I will show you how to download any AI local model in your machine using Ollama, and then how you can use that model completely for free inside Claude Code. Now to make this happen, the first thing that you have to do is to go over to ollama.com, which I will also leave a link for in the description below, and then you simply need to come over here to the top right and click on the download button. Then simply select your operating system and download the Ollama app. And once you do that, simply install it. And once you install it, you will be able to open it up and you're going to see this interface over here, where as you can see here, I can come, click on select model and literally download any AI local model that I want. And once I do that, I can simply come over here, send over a message like hello, and I'm going to get a response from that local model, as you can see over here. And now that we have successfully downloaded Ollama, the next thing that we need to do is to download Claude Code. Now, if you already have it, you can skip this part of the video, but if you don't, simply go over to claude.com/Claude Code, which I will also leave a link for in the description below, and then you need to come over here, click on other ways to use and select terminal, because in order for us to change the AI model that Claude Code is running on, we need to have it installed in a terminal, since with the app it is significantly harder to do so. So all you have to do is to simply come over here and copy this command, and then simply open up your terminal. It can be inside your IDE or in the default terminal interface, paste in that command, click on enter, and this is going to go and download Claude Code in your machine, which is exactly what it did for me over here. As you can see, it is telling me that Claude Code successfully installed. And now, if I type in Claude, I am able to call it and start using it. But as you can see, currently, Claude Code is using Opus 4.8 and not any local AI model. Now, to make Claude Code use a local AI model, we simply need to close this terminal and open up a brand new one, then come back in the Ollama application, and then if we switch over to the Launch tab, we will be able to see all the commands that Ollama has to be launched through all these different AI agents, like Claude Code, Codex, OpenClaw, Hermes agent, and a bunch more. Now, since we want to launch Claude Code with Ollama, we simply need to come over here and copy this command for Claude Code. And then if we come back over in our terminal, paste in the command and click on enter, this is going to start launching Claude Code via Ollama, which will allow us to use a local AI model that we download. Now, as you can see, this is suggesting me some local AI models to download, along with some cloud-based ones, and underneath it is giving me the local models that I already have installed in my PC. Now, just to show you how this would work if you didn't have anything, I will simply come over here and download one of the ones that Ollama is suggesting me, specifically Gwen 3. So if I click on enter and I click on download, this is going to start downloading the Gwen 3 model in my PC, and once this finishes, I will be able to run it inside Claude Code. And boom, as you can see, just finished, and it automatically launched Claude Code. But this time, if we look in the model that it is using, we can see that it is using Gwen 3, which is the local AI model that we just downloaded. And just so you can see that this actually works, if I come over here and I say hello, for example, this is going to give us a response, which means that Claude Code is successfully using a local model and responding to our requests. Now, if you want to download a specific local model, which wasn't recommended by Claude Code, then you can simply come back over to the Ollama website and move over in the Models tab, where this is going to bring you in this interface where you can literally find all the local AI models that Ollama gives you access to. And these are literally hundreds of local models that you can download. Now, let's say, for example, you wanted to download a model like Gwen 3.5. which is a very popular local model with over 14 million downloads. All you would have to do is to simply click on it, and then this is going to bring you over here in this interface, where Ollama literally gives you the exact command in which you can download it in all of these different coding agents. And since we're using Claude Code, what you would have to do is to simply come over here and copy the command for Claude Code. Then you can open up a brand new terminal, simply paste in that command, and this is going to start downloading the Gwen 3.5 model, as you can see over here. Now, I do want to point one thing out, and that is that if you copy this command, it's going to download the default version of that model, which in our case is the Gwen 3.5 latest version, that, as you can see, needs 6.6 gigabytes of RAM to run. Now, if you want to download a different model, let's say a bigger one, like the Gwen 3.5 with 9 billion parameters, all you would have to do is to simply copy the name of this model, then come back over to your terminal, where, as you can see, the default Gwen 3.5 finished downloading, and it opened up Claude Code for us as well. But let's say we wanted to download the 9 billion parameter one, we simply open up a brand new terminal, and we simply type Ollama pool, and then we paste in the name of that model, and we click on enter, and this is going to download the 9 billion parameter model on our machine. Where then, if we launch Claude Code, we will be able to come over here, select it, and then this is going to open up Claude Code using that model with this many parameters, which in our case is 9 billion. And just so you guys can see that this works, if I come over here and tell it, hey, I want you to build me a simple hello world website, which is usually the first program that beginner coders write, and boom, as you can see, this just finished running. It is telling us that it built the hello world website, and now we can simply come over here and access it in a localhost URL, which, as you can see, it's exactly what Gwen went over and generated for us. Now, if you want more dedicated help with setting up local models in your PC, or you need guidance or anything else that has to do with AI, make sure you click the top link in my description and you come and check out my school community. And now I want to talk a little bit about what local model should you download based on the power that your PC has. So let's take Gwen 3.5 as an example. As you can see, Gwen has multiple different versions that have different parameters. Now, the more parameters an AI model has, the more powerful it is, but it also requires your PC to have more VRAM. Now, what I really like about Ollama is that in each version of the model, it basically tells you how much size you need to have in your RAM in order for you to be able to use it. Now, this is not the RAM size that you need to have, this is how much RAM does it take up. So when you download this, you should also factor in that your system by itself takes some RAM to run, usually between 4 to 6 gigabytes. So if you have a 16 gigabyte RAM, then you can easily run this model that takes 6.6 gigabytes of RAM. But let's say if you have 24 gigabytes of RAM, you cannot actually run the 35 billion parameter one because this requires 24 gigabytes to run smoothly, while you also have 24 gigabytes from which your operating system and your PC would probably take around 4 to 6 gigabytes. So a good rule of thumb is take a look at the gigabytes of RAM that it requires and also factor in that your system roughly takes around 5 gigabytes of RAM to function. Now, as you can see, you can basically run all the Gwen models if your PC has 32 gigabytes of RAM. But if it doesn't, then I would strongly advise you to go with the Gwen 9 billion parameter one, since I think it's the best balance when it comes to performance and also speed, and you can comfortably run it in any 16 gigabyte machine. While another very good model to run locally is Gemma 4, which you can also run with a 32 gigabyte machine. But if you just have 16 gigabytes, then I would advise you to go with the Gemma 4 latest version, since it is a very powerful model that you can also run with just having 16 gigabytes on your machine. Now, if your PC has 8 gigabytes, then running a local AI model will be pretty hard, since even the smallest local AI models usually tend to require anywhere from 5 to 6 gigabytes. So if that is the case, and you also want to be able to run powerful models completely for free, make sure you go and watch this video, where I show you how you can run powerful open source models even if you have just 8 gigabytes of memory in your PC by using them completely for free through the cloud. So make sure you go and watch that next, and I will see you over there.